Welcome back. Health Minister Vishwajit Rane has refused to commission Mapsa District Hospital by 15th of August. Junior Rane is also firm on taking up this hospital on PPP mode. He also refused to apologize for his remarks against BJP MLAs. Meanwhile, BJP MLAs met Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and demanded removal of Vishwajit from the cabinet. BJP on Thursday had demanded apology from Health Minister Vishwajit Rane for remarks against them. They also reiterated their demand to commission Mapsa District Hospital by 15th of August. BJP also opposed privatization of this hospital, but Health Minister refused to adhere to their demands.
As long as I am Health Minister in Goa, I will go in for a PPP and a joint venture. I have the backing of my Chief Minister and I don't want to do anything that will put the people's lives at risk. I need to take a responsible decision. This is not somebody scoring a brownie point on me or somebody trying to do something. Unfortunately, yes, there has been a delay, but we need to commission it in a most professional manner. Present Asilo setup, if I just shift it as it is to this hospital, I am putting the lives of the people at risk because this is a large hospital. Objective is to come out with an excellent model, which I will discuss even with the opposition if required, that this is the model we are finalizing. What is your suggestion? And then take it forward. Just because somebody is going to tell me that I am going to do this and that and Vishwajit Rane should apologize, I have not said anything wrong that I need to apologize. I stand by my commitment and I am a committed person as far as healthcare is concerned.
Meanwhile, BJP delegation met Chief Minister Digambar Kamath on Mapsa District Hospital issue and demanded removal of Health Minister Vishwajit Rane from the cabinet. BJP is all set to attack Vishwajit Rane in the upcoming monsoon assembly session.
ना जाल्यार आमी मुख्यमंत्र्याक सांगलां की तूं जशें ऑस्पिशियो मॉनिटर करता, तूं जशें काणकोणचें हॉस्पिटल मॉनिटर करता, तशेंच तुवें म्हापशेचें आजिलोय मॉनिटर करचें. ताची गरज ना, ताका 2-4 म्हयन्या खातीर रिलीव कर. ताणें इलेक्शन बरें लडोवचें, सिंगापूर वचचो, अमेरिकेक वचचो, ताणें जाय थंय वचचें, मागीर निवडून येतकीर मागीर मंत्रीपद कितें दिवपाचें तें पळय म्हणून. त्यामुळे ताका आतां मंत्री दवरूं नाका म्हणून ताचें काड म्हणून तें हेंवूय सांगलेलें.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media. Fishing trawlers will now be equipped with a security machine. Fisheries Department on Friday granted 109 security machines to North and South Goa trawlers. The machine has the ability to detect any danger in deep seas. Goa is the first state to have such a security scheme. Fisheries Department has taken a unique step towards the security of the fishermen. Fishing trawlers will now have the security machines. This is the first of its kind in the country and Goa is the first state to have it. Last year, around 67 fishermen lost their lives in the cyclone Fayan. Government has taken this initiative to avoid such kind of untoward incident in future. 191 security machines were allotted to fishermen in South and North Goa. Fisheries Deputy Director Nandakishore Vernekar informed us more about the security machine.
पण आता कितें जाता, वादळ जातले म्हणून पयलींच तांकां सूचना मेळटली आनी त्यामुळे कितें जातलें, हे जे धोको जो आसा हेका ट्रॉलरांक बी बुडपाचो तो कमी जातलो आनी ते सेफ्टी उरतले. त्याच प्रमाणे आमी सेफ्टी म्हणजे जॅकेट्स, लायफ जॅकेट्स बी तांकां दिवपाचे केल्ले आहा.
Minister for Fisheries Joki Alemao gave the machines to the trawler owners at a function held in Madgaon on Friday. Fisheries Director Vernekar, Deputy Director Nandakishore Vernekar and other officials were present for the function. The machine costs around 75,000 rupees and the fishermen are allotted the machines on a 75% subsidized rate. The issue on proposed Betul fish mill was also raised at the function. Few trawler owners had opposed the project, whereas others have given its full support. Joki Alemao explained the benefits of this mill.
A fish mill जाव म्हणजे आखी बेतुलकारांक बेनिफिट, तुमकां बेनिफिट, गव्हर्नमेंट तुमी गव्हर्नमेंटाचेर म्हणटा आमकां कांय बेनिफिट केला गोंय, कांय आमकां हेल्प कोनाय आनी गव्हर्नमेंट कितलो जालो.
A reporter in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt. Savodde MLA Anil Salgaonkar has said that everyone comes and only bucks in the assembly and government works at stone 15. He says there is no use of carrying out any agitation. He was addressing a meeting of Diversion Action Committee of Morley.
ह्यो जाय तितले उदका भशेन उलोवपाचें भोगपाचें आनी हो सरकार आसा की आपणाक जाय ती करता ताचो कांयच परिणाम ना असलोच परिणाम जायना तुमी सांगा आयज 3 वर्सां कितें बदल जाता तें एकूच वर्सां जाता.
This barking remark from an MLA can draw a lot of flack from rest of his colleagues in the House. He was addressing a Diversion Action Committee meeting at Mole. The committee has demanded that NH4A should be diverted through Cholla Ghat and Panchi Mole Road should be maintained as a district road. Committee has threatened of agitation if their demands are not fulfilled.
23 तारखेचे प्रेजेंटेशन जातकीर जर सरकारान हे मान्य करूना जाल्यार आमी खंयच्याच परिस्थितीत हो रस्तो ह्या पद्दतीन जे आतां सद्याची जी अलायनमेंट आसा ज्या अलायनमेंटांतल्यान लोकांची घरां मोडून किंवा लोकांची बिल्डिंगो मोडून देवळां मोडून मशिदी मोडून किंवा इगर्जी मोडून आमी हो रस्तो कसोच जावपाक दिवचे ना.
Sunil Desai also informed that this expansion plan has been done with the help of Google and practically there is no mind applied upon it. He also alleged that structures of selective high-profile people are saved.
विल्बर स्मिथ हांणी हो जो प्लॅन केला तो पूर्णपणे गुगलाचेर केला. प्रत्यक्षात तांणी ग्राउंड सर्वे केल्लो ना. पूण हें सगळें करता आसतना तांणी व्हडले बिझनेस हाऊजीस जे आसा तांकां मात प्रोटेक्ट केल्ले आसा.
A reporter from Mole, Mayur Naik.
Let's take a short break. We'll be right back.